The angels reigns on your head, and we talked about this idea that Allah increases a person in honor with their humility. Your greatest test of humility and honor is going to come when you meet someone who has absolutely none of those things, right? And so you encounter people of no character. As Imam al-Ghazali rahimahullah ta'ala said, the greatest test of husn al-khuluq, of good character, is how a person deals with someone with su' al-khuluq, with bad character, right? That's where the flaws of the tongue come out. That's where the flaws of character, the flaws of the heart, arrogance, pride, so many of those things manifest in how you're going to deal with someone. To work, you meet someone that's being a jerk to you, or you're on social media and you see someone that's saying certain things to you. Think about this incident that took place with the Prophet ﷺ and Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet ﷺ was sitting with Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, and a man started to insult the Prophet ﷺ and insult Abu Bakr. Now, the Prophet ﷺ was doing what he always did, which was responding with patience. The Prophet ﷺ did not entertain the insults in any way whatsoever, and he definitely did not respond in like manner. Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, who loved the Prophet ﷺ more than he loved himself, is witnessing those insults, and finally he can't hold himself and he responds. As soon as he responds, the Prophet ﷺ gets up and he leaves. Now Abu Bakr, seeing the Prophet ﷺ get up and leave, is afraid that he may have offended the Prophet ﷺ, or that the Prophet was upset with him. So the Prophet ﷺ is sitting, and Abu Bakr comes to him and he says, "O Messenger of Allah, are you upset with me? Is it something that I did?" And the Prophet ﷺ said that when we were sitting there, before we were responding to those insults, Allah had sent an angel from the heavens, and that angel was responding to everything that was being said to us. And then as soon as you started to respond, the angel left and a devil came and sat in its place. A shaitan came and sat in its place, and the Prophet ﷺ said, "I did not want to sit in the presence of that shaitan." SubhanAllah, think about that. An angel, a specific angel, was sent down to respond. And then as soon as you respond on your part, the angel leaves and a shaitan comes and basically eggs you on. And that's why the Prophet ﷺ said that strength is not in how you overcome another person. Strength is actually in how you overcome yourself. الَّذِي يَمْلِكُ نَفْسَهُ عِنْدَ الْغَضَبِ. Very powerful usage of language. The one who owns himself, still controls themselves in times of anger, in times of rage, right? They're still in the driver's seat, because ultimately what usually happens is that whether someone is speaking to you in a certain way in person or online now, since most of our interactions are on social media, right? Wherever that is, you tend to respond out of the sense of pride. And in the process of that, you let shaitan, you let the devil into the driver's seat, and you take the passenger seat. And that's why you would say things in fits of rage that you otherwise would never say. And so controlling yourself by yielding to the angel to respond on your behalf is what the Prophet ﷺ is teaching us with this. And when you do that, Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah, he said something very powerful. He said that not only do you cause the shaitan to miss you with his arrows, but you also cause him to waste arrows. So you're making the shaitan despair in you, in being able to get you out of your element, so that you start to respond to someone with bad character as well. And again, connected to the previous hadith, the angel raises your reins, raises your sight in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, raises your station in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wahb ibn Munabbih rahimahullah ta'ala, a man came to him and he said, "So-and-so said this about you." Wahb ibn Munabbih said, "Did shaitan not find a postman, a mailman other than you? Stop acting like the shaitan's mailman. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm in my element. The angels will take care, because I said, Bismillah, tawakkaltu ala Allah, wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. I put my trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I was told that I would be defended. Fasayakfikahumullah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will surely suffice you. Through those angels that He has sent, I don't feel the need to denigrate myself by responding in like manner. So I remain dignified in the sight of insult, and in the process Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala honors me bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to honor us all.